So you may be trying to go ahead and find some random TikTok lives on TikTok. First of all, thank you for all the support within TikTok. I really appreciate it. But to find random TikTok lives, it's actually extremely easy. All you want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over to your main front page within TikTok. You can also go to Discover if you want to. The Discover page sometimes has a section for lives, but regardless, what you can do is you can click on Home right here. And on the top left corner, there's a little live button. It's very hard to see. Sometimes you can't even tell. But all you want to do is you want to go and click on that live section, and you will come into this little live section within TikTok. So here what you can do is you can go ahead and see all sorts of other people's lives, and it tells you swipe to view more. So here you can go ahead and see every single person who's doing a live, and that's pretty much all you have to do. You can just keep scrolling, and these are random people's lives right here. Now, if you want to join somebody's live, that's a little bit of a different story. So if you join a live, so if I click on live right here, if I wanted to join somebody's live, I would have to, potentially give a request to join. So I can go and add a comment now. Sometimes there's a little option that says join or something like that. If there is not an option that allows you to join, well then it's not going to allow you to join. So you should be able to see a little thing down here that says join. And you can see multi-guest. So I can click multi-guest and I can, allow myself to go ahead and if I wanted to, give myself access to go there, and that will give them, request, and they would have to accept it. Now in this case, it doesn't look like they'll accept it, but that's another option you have. So that's pretty much how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.